We all know how to find the area of a triangle if we're given its base and its height. So for example, in this triangle, we have base 15 and height 8. So the area of this triangle will be 1/2 times its base times its height. 15 times 8 is 120, and if we multiply that by 1/2, we get 60. But what if we have a triangle and we're only given its side lengths? So for example, a triangle like this, A, B, and C. We can still find the area using something called Heron's formula. So to use Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle, we need to know the 3 side lengths of the triangle and its semi-perimeter. The semi-perimeter, which we represent with the variable s, is just half of the perimeter of a shape. So for example, the semi-perimeter of this triangle will be equal to half its perimeter. The perimeter of this triangle is just A plus B plus C. So half of that is A plus B plus C over 2. So now that we know the 3 side lengths of our triangle and the semi-perimeter of our triangle, we can use Heron's formula to find the area of our triangle. The area of our triangle, according to Heron's formula, is the square root of s, the semi-perimeter, times s minus a, times s minus b, times s minus c, where a, b, and c are the 3 side lengths of our triangle, and s is the semi-perimeter of our triangle. So for example, if we had a triangle with side lengths 20, 15, and 13, we could use Heron's formula to find its area. So we already have the 3 side lengths of the triangle, and now we need its semi-perimeter. The semi-perimeter is just equal to half of its perimeter. Its perimeter is 20 plus 15 plus 13, and then we divide that by 2. 20 plus 15 is 35, plus 13 is 48. So we have 48 divided by 2, which is just 24. So the area of our triangle is equal to the square root of 24 times 24 minus 20, one of our side lengths, times 24 minus 15 times 24 minus 13. Now we just have to simplify. A is equal to the square root of 24 times 4 times 9 times 11. So we just have square root of 24 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 9 times the square root of 11. Now we know the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 9 is 3. So the area is equal to 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, times the square root of 24 times the square root of 11. We know that the square root of 24 is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 6, which is just 2 times the square root of 6. So the area is equal to 12 times the square root of 66.